Welcome to another session here with the Daily Database Insights, and I am your favorite host. Now, like I mentioned, we're going to try to figure out how to do the ssms21 offline installation, but also we want to do uh, a single click type of installation so that you don't have to be clicking on it multiple times. Now, if you are seeing my screen here, I'm already on the command prompt and I am already in the local layout file. So this is where we have the file that we downloaded from Microsoft, which serves as our local layout. And this is where we're going to be running the installation. Now, let me pop the command line that I'm going to use here. So I'm going to call the Visual Studio SSMS executable file, and I want to run it in passive mode. And this command here, noWeb, means that we want to make sure that we are not connecting to the web. And of course, we're going to add this component, which is the Microsoft.Help.Viewer. And lastly, I want to install it in our dark theme. So here we go. I'm going to hit enter and let's see what happens. So that's going to pop up on our screen. And then that's going to pop up next. So right now it is installing the Visual Studio. And you can realize, or you've noticed so far, that I didn't have to click anything. Pretty much the passive command allows you to see the user interface while the installation is going on without you really interacting with it. And like you've seen, this Visual Studio installer window has showed up and I didn't have to click anything over here as well. So this is going to be the best way to package everything into an installation image and proceed with shipping out that image. All they need to do is just, at the click of that first button, and everything else is going to be automatically installed. Now, you will realize that the theme is dark because I needed a dark theme. Otherwise, on the previous installation, you will notice that I used a lighter theme, and we're going to be able to tell after this installation is complete. So I'm going to pause it for a little bit and I'll be right back. And this is almost completed. So we'll just watch it. It's like watching paint dry. And it has completed. And how do we validate that it's completed? Let's see over here. We got the SQL Server Tools 21. Launch it. And there you have it. We have installed SQL Server Management Studio 21 on the command line successfully. And so, if you know anybody who is trying to create an unattended installation of SQL Server Management Studio, you must show them this video. And if they need more help, tell them to reach out to me because I'll point them in the right direction. Thank you and have a good one.